guys, I'm your host or trainer. My name is Vargang Panchal and you are watching this CBT on AS Network Zone YouTube channel. Today, in this CBT, I am going to demonstrate you how to create virtual machine inside VMware vSphere ESXi 7.0 hypervisor. If you are new learner to VMware virtualization, then there would be many questions in your mind such as what is virtual machine or VM, how to create an virtual machine, what is guest operating system, how to install guest operating system, and maybe what is benefit of virtual machine and why you should use virtual machine as comparison physical machine. Well, virtualization is one of my favorite topic which I love from bottom of my heart and especially like to give the training whether trainees are fresher or belongs to corporate with many years of experience. So now come to the topic. What is virtual machine? A virtual machine is a software computer that act like a physical computer, run an operating system and applications. The virtual machine is comprised of a set of specification and configuration file and is backed by the physical resources of a host. Every virtual machine has virtual devices that provide the same functionality as physical hardware and have additional benefit in terms of portability, manageability, and security. A virtual machine consists of several types of files that you store on a supported storage devices. The key file to make up a virtual machine are the configuration file, virtual disk file, NVRAM setting file, and the log file. You configure virtual machine settings through the vSphere web client or vSphere client. Virtual machine is also known as guest system and virtual machine operating system called guest operating system. And if we talk about benefits of using the virtual machine as comparison of physical machine, then in physical machine there would be difficult to move or copy, bound to a specific set of hardware component, often have a short life cycle, require personal contact to upgrade hardware, whereas in virtual machine it is very easy to move or copy, encapsulated into files, independent of physical hardware, easy to manage such as isolated from other virtual machines running on a same physical hardware, insulated from physical hardware changes. Now if we talk about whenever you are creating new virtual machine, then it's taking place inside your data store and in backend it's creating many files such as you will find their configuration file, swap files, BIOS file, log file, template configuration file, disk description file, disk data file, raw device map file, snapshot disk file, snapshot data file, snapshot state file, snapshot memory file, suspended state file, suspended snapshot memory state. You can also use virtual hardware as given over here, but this is given according to the VMware vSphere ESXi 6.7 because as of now vSphere 7.0 official docs are not released. Now let's move for hands-on lab. So this is my hands-on lab computer system and over here already I have opened Mozilla Firefox web browser. Mozilla Firefox is not mandatory. You can use any web browser whatever you like because I love Mozilla Firefox, that's why I have opened Mozilla Firefox. And also already I have hit my ESXi host IP address which is 192.168.10.101. Maybe you have seen my DCUI lab, there I have configured this IP address. So here I am going to enter my credentials and also hit the password. Click on login. And now successfully we have login inside our ESXi host and there you can see we have not created yet any virtual machine, counter is 0. Let me click on virtual machines. And also you can see inside our ESXi host inventory there is nothing. So here right now I am going to create a new virtual machine so that in future I can deploy Microsoft Windows Server 2019 guest operating system over here. For that you will have to click on create or register VM, and here you will get this wizard by which you can create your new virtual machine. So here I am going to select first option, create a new virtual machine. Click on next, and here assign your virtual machine name. Select your compatibility. So here I am doing nothing. Select your guest OS family, which would be Windows, and also select your guest OS version, which is Microsoft Windows Server 2019. And here it is. Click on next, and there you can see, because till now we have not created any data store, so here I am using my default data store. Click on next, and here fulfill the virtual hardware requirements so that in future you can deploy your guest operating system. Now you will think that inside my ESXi host there is 250 GB data store, and here I have created 500 GB of disk. Yes, you can assign that, but you can't save 500 GB of data. Over here we have disk category such as thin, thick zeroed, thick lazy. If you have selected thin mode, then you can create any number of size of your disk. So let me select thin mode also. Click on next, and also click on finish button. And now over here you can see our virtual machine is successfully created. It doesn't mean that we have deployed guest operating system. For that we will have to do some more customization so that we can deploy or install our guest operating system. But here we have successfully created our new virtual machine. Thank you for watching this CBT on AS Network Zone YouTube channel. If you really like this CBT, click on like button and also comment us which section you like most, or if you have any query you can also comment us.